Oh no, not again. You can't sleep. It's 3 a.m. and you have school tomorrow. If only I could fall asleep faster. Look no further. In this video I will show you 3 tips and 1 trick to help you fall asleep within 3 minutes. Now the tips are important since they make the trick easier, so don't skip them. Tip 1. Room temperature. Keeping your bedroom at a comfortable temperature can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. The National Sleep Foundation recommends keeping your room between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal sleep. This temperature range helps your body regulate its temperature and signals to your brain that it's time to sleep. If your room is too hot or too cold, it can make it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep, leading to restless nights and daytime fatigue. Consider using a fan, air conditioner, or heater to maintain a comfortable temperature in your bedroom. Tip 2. Cut out any lights. Light exposure can affect the body's natural sleep-wake cycle, which is regulated by a part of the brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, SCN. The SCN responds to light and dark signals, triggering the release of hormones like melatonin, which help you feel sleepy at night and alert in the morning. Exposure to bright or blue light at night can delay the release of melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. This is because blue light suppresses melatonin production more than any other color of light. On the other hand, red or orange light has been shown to have less of an impact on melatonin production and sleep quality. So turn on that blue light filter mode if you want to be on your phone before sleeping. Tip 3. No caffeine. Caffeine is a stimulant that can interfere with sleep by blocking the action of adenosine, a chemical in the brain that promotes sleep. Adenosine levels increase throughout the day, making you feel more and more tired as the day goes on. When you sleep, adenosine levels decrease, allowing you to feel rested and alert in the morning. Caffeine works by blocking the action of adenosine in the brain, which can make you feel more awake and alert. Caffeine can stay in your system for several hours, so it's important to avoid it in the hours leading up to bedtime. The exact timing will depend on your personal sensitivity to caffeine, but a general rule of thumb is to avoid caffeine for at least 6 hours before bedtime. Fun fact, caffeine's half-life is between 4 and 6 hours. If you drink an energy drink that consists of 250 milligrams of caffeine, then after 6 hours, you still have 125 milligrams of caffeine left in your body. The trick. Now here comes the trick you've been waiting for. It's called the 4-7-8 breathing technique, and it's incredibly simple. Here's how to do it. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 8 seconds. The 4-7-8 breathing technique is a powerful method for reducing stress and anxiety, promoting relaxation, and improving sleep. This technique works by altering the body's physiological response to stress and anxiety. When we feel stressed or anxious, the sympathetic nervous system, SNS, is activated, which triggers the body's fight or flight response. The 4-7-8 breathing technique activates the parasympathetic nervous system, PNS, which is responsible for the body's rest and digest response. This response counteracts the SNS response and promotes relaxation, stress reduction, and better sleep. The technique involves slowing down the breath and increasing the oxygen flow to the body, which stimulates the PNS response. As you practice the 4-7-8 technique, your breathing becomes slower and deeper, which triggers the relaxation response. This slows the heart rate, reduces blood pressure, and promotes feelings of calm and relaxation throughout the body. Focusing on your breath and counting the inhales and exhales can distract you from anxious or racing thoughts, helping to quiet the mind and promote feelings of peace and tranquility. So there you have it, the 4-7-8 breathing technique for falling asleep within 3 minutes. Give it a try tonight and see if it works for you. Thanks for watching and sweet dreams.